Welcome to Super 8 by Wyndham St Augustine. Our hotel is just minutes away from several attractions in St. Augustine, Florida. This hotel is close to Florida's oldest house museum. During your stay with us, we aim to make you feel comfortable and relaxed. There is free parking and free Wi-Fi in all of our rooms. As well as pet-friendly, the hotel offers free coffee and breakfast items, an outdoor pool, and housekeeping. Many Super 8 by Wyndham St. Augustine hotel guests choose hotels near Joe Pomar, Junior Park, and the Lightner Museum. Located in St. Augustine, Florida, the hotel is well-equipped and convenient. With its ideally located location, Super 8 by Wyndham St. Augustine Hotel is a great choice for all travelers. Super 8 by Wyndham St. Augustine provides comfort, convenience, and memorable stays. Check out our website by clicking the link in the video description below.